Hey friends, if you wish to use Internet Explorer mode or compatibility mode in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open Internet Explorer, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, and then search for Internet Explorer and hit enter. Now you'll find the Internet Explorer mode which is switched off by default. If you switch it on, that's how you can use the Internet Explorer mode. And if you switch it off, it will disable it. But I'll tell you something. Honestly, it's not required at this stage. Internet Explorer is obsolete and there is hardly any website which requires it. Microsoft Edge is more than sufficient for it. So this mode in 99.99999% cases is absolutely redundant. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.